So whenever you will try to display ads over on Instagram, it will show you this error that something went wrong. So in this video, we will cover how to fix this problem. So I recommend you to watch the video till the end in order to get it properly. So this problem often occurs when your Facebook account is not logged in over on your browser. So first of all, we need to log in with our Facebook account on any of the browser. So just simply go to your browser and there you have to search for facebook.com and simply log in with your account. Alright, so after that, go to your Instagram settings. Then you have to go to account and over there go to sharing to other apps and connect your Instagram account with Facebook. And once you have done with the linking process, this time most probably you will not face any kind of error. Alright, so I hope this will help you out, and all for today's video guys, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.